Boost your English skills, mastering active listening. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating part of English language learning, engaging in active listening techniques. This is a key aspect of not just understanding spoken English but truly engaging with it and improving your overall language competence. Active listening is more than just hearing the words that are being spoken. It involves fully concentrating on, understanding, responding to, and then remembering what is being said. Active listening is key to effective communication and is a valuable tool in language learning. There are several techniques that you can use to improve your active listening skills. 2.1. Pay full attention. First and foremost, pay full attention to the speaker. Avoid distractions and focus fully on the speaker. Observe their body language, tone of voice, and emphasis to understand the full context of what is being said. 2.2. Show that you're listening. Next, show that you're listening. Nod occasionally, show your reactions, and use your body language to demonstrate your involvement. 2.3. Provide feedback. Provide feedback is another crucial part of active listening. Our role as listeners is more than just silent spectators. We need to ask clarifying questions if we don't understand something, or paraphrase and summarize what's been said to confirm our understanding. 2.4. Defer judgment. It's essential to defer judgment. Wait until the speaker has finished before asking questions or making comments. It shows respect for the speaker and allows you to fully understand their message before responding. 2.5. Respond appropriately. Lastly, respond appropriately. Active listening is a model for respect and understanding, so maintain open and honest responses to demonstrate that you've understood what's been said. Active listening is closely linked with critical thinking. When you are actively listening, you are analyzing and evaluating the speaker's message, and this is a form of critical thinking. It not only helps in understanding the content better but also enables you to form better responses and engage in a meaningful conversation. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. Active listening is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your English language learning journey. It's all about truly engaging with the speaker, understanding their message, providing feedback, and responding appropriately. Practice these techniques, and you'll find your comprehension and communication skills improving over time. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!